What's up, gang? You already know it's Big Keiko, and I am back with another morning motivation. You feel me? You feel me? Okay, so I'm not sure who needs to hear this, but I gotta say it. I need you guys, us, again, we, to stop allowing others to tell us when we're supposed to have something done or accomplished, okay? You do not move at anybody else's pace but your own, and the pace that God has set forth for you. So don't allow anybody to tell you when you're supposed to accomplish a certain goal. You sit there, you write down your goals, write down every step that it takes and everything you need to reach that goal, plan out how long you want it to be before you reach that goal, and you just stay focused in tunnel vision. Do not let any distractions take you off of your game, because misery loves company is what I'm gonna say. Misery loves company, and that's just what it is. Don't let that miserable bitterness or whatever from your past continue to follow you into your future, where all your blessings are waiting for you. It's not good. It's not a good look, you guys. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.